A high-voltage drama was witnessed in the election-bound state of Uttar Pradesh as a Samajwadi Party leader allegedly attempted suicide on being denied a ticket to the assembly polls. So this is an SP leader who attempted suicide in a massive row that has erupted over the Samajwadi Party worker attempting suicide after the party denied him ticket. Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav meanwhile has shifted the onus on BJP, asking is he sent by the BJP to malign Samajwadi Party's image. So yes, once again a war of words, and Sucharita is also with us on the same. Sucharita, we've seen several such candidates, not just from one party. We saw someone from the Congress come out and say that she was denied ticket as promised earlier on. Also, serious cash for ticket allegations that have been leveled by some of those candidates. But this is a whole new drama with the SP now saying that it is the BJP that is in fact trying to malign the Samajwadi Party's image and trying to stage this entire act.
Yes, Christine, and we'll have to wait and see what the BJP has to say on that, because this is a direct allegation. It is a direct allegation by the Samajwadi Party on the BJP, and saying that it is trying to malign the Samajwadi Party's image. Madhurima joins us on the broadcast. Madhurima, now there's a direct attack by Akhilesh Yadav on the BJP, saying that this worker was sent in to malign the Samajwadi Party's image, but I'm sure his affiliations can be well known.
Well, absolutely. What we are learning right now is that it was a suicide attempt, and this person allegedly, that what we are learning is that he was apparently denied a ticket, following which he committed this act where he went on and poured on combustible oil on himself, following which he tried to commit suicide. However, now when the BJP has taken up the matter, because we know that it does highlight this certain amount of disgruntled behavior that comes from the Samajwadi workership, and which is why the BJP is highlighting is that how a Samajwadi Party worker has been forced to commit such an act, and that the party lacks democracy. However, the Samajwadi Party chief has come forward and asserted it is nothing but a ruse from the side of the Bharatiya Janata Party, which is trying to play opportunistic politics out of it and milk political mileage out of the entire incident. However, there is an investigation that is going on. We'll have to wait and watch as to what was the real reason behind this Samajwadi Party leader committing this particular act, because nothing has been put on confirmation yet. But yes, a political mudslinging has already begun on this particular issue, where the Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav is pressing upon the fact that it is nothing but a political stunt by the Bharatiya Janata Party at the 11th hour, as we know that the polls are less than a month and are inching closer, and the entire political temperature is soaring, specifically in the state of Uttar Pradesh, where it is a high mileage political state, and which is why we are seeing that this particular incident where this man, a Samajwadi Party worker, goes on to attempt suicide. The allegations are that yes, he's a disgruntled worker. He wanted a ticket to contest in the upcoming polls. However, after being denied a chance to contest the upcoming polls, he tried to commit this particular act. However, the BJP has hit out at the Samajwadi Party. They are asserting over the fact that this shows the real picture behind the Samajwadi mentality. But once again, the Akhilesh Yadav is pressing upon the fact that it is nothing of the sort like the kind of pictures, the kind of picture that is being painted by the BJP, and it's nothing but a ruse on the part of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Back to you.
Thank you for that, Madhurima. We are learning that this SP candidate wanted to contest from Aligarh's Chharra constituency. While he broke into tears, he said that he'd spent his entire youth serving the SP, but he was denied a ticket to fight the elections. While we wait for a BJP response on this, let's listen into what the Samajwadi Party has to say.
हमने पार्टी के लिए अपनी पूरी जवानी लगा दी, हमें टिकट दिया। समाजवादी ठाकुर आदित्य तिवारी समाजवादी मेरा नाम है।
कहाँ से रहने वाले हैं?
विधानसभा 74 छर्रा से।
क्या मामला है?
चलिए गाड़ी कहेंगे क्या? कहाँ से टिकट मांग रहे हैं? कहाँ से टिकट मांग रहे हैं?
चर्रा से,
जिला
ठाकुर आदित्य जुनूनिया ठाकुर तेजवीर से। हम लोग 5 साल से पार्टी के लिए जमीन पे खूब काम किया हमने।
कौन सा जिला है?
हमारे पास हजारों अलीगढ़ में विधानसभा 74 चर्रा।
किसको टिकट दे दिया? किसको दे दिया टिकट वहाँ से?
आपका नाम क्या है?
ठाकुर आदित्य जुनूनी समाजवादी। मैं यहाँ आत्महत्या करूंगा, हर हालत में करूंगा। आप रोक लो,
मिला था तुम्हारा
आप थाने में बंद कर दो, आप जेल में बंद कर दो।
गाड़ी